Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, I have started revision of lesson number 1, that is our surroundings. So, in our surroundings, we have seen many living things and non-living things. What are the features of living things? So, living things move on their own from one place to another place. But non-living things cannot move on their own from one place to another place. Living things feel. It may be cold, hot, happiness, sorrowness, whatever it may be. So living things will feel, but non-living things will not feel anything. Living things eat for their energy. Okay, but non-living things does not need any energy and these will not eat. Living things breathe, they take oxygen and they will exhale the carbon dioxide. Living things produce their young ones, but non-living things will not produce their young ones. So what are the non-living things? The non-living things will not move, will not grow, will not eat, will not breathe and will not produce their young ones. In non-living things, some are natural things, some are man-made things. What are natural non-living things? Like moon, mountain, stone. Yes, these all are man-made things. Natural things. Natural non-living things. What are man-made non-living things? For example, car, books, table, chair, bottle. These all are man-made non-living things. So let us see once again natural and man-made things. Non-living things can be natural or man-made. Let us learn about them one by one. Natural things. Some non-living things such as mountains, water and rocks are found in nature. These are not made by man. These are called natural things. So some non-living things made by naturally itself they have formed. These are known as natural things. Example, mountain, soil, air, river. These all are natural things. Man-made things. These are produced by or constructed by the people or the human being. Those are known as man-made things. Non-living things like pencil, train, house and clothes are made by man. The things made by man are called man-made things. For example, train, clothes, house, car, bus, window, computer, machines. These all are man-made things. And I told you to paste two natural things in these two boxes and man-made things in these two boxes. Next, give 3 examples of natural things and 3 examples of man-made things. Natural things, river, air, mountain. Man-made things, car, cloth, computer. Come to page number 80. Living things, things that can move, grow, breathe, eat, feel and produce young ones. Non-living things, things that cannot move, grow, breathe, eat, feel and produce young ones. Natural things, non-living things that are not made by man. These are natural things. Man-made things, non-living things that are made by man. Now I know after hearing this lesson what we have done, we came to know. Things we see around us are either living or non-living things. Living things move, eat, breathe, feel and produce young ones. All plants, humans and animals are living things. Non-living things cannot move, eat, breathe, feel and produce their young ones. Non-living things can be natural or man-made. Let us practice. Tick the living thing, chair and cat. Which is the living thing? Chair. So you should tick the cat. Which is the living thing in this? Cat. You should tick in on the square which is below the cat. Second one. Can you see this? Yes. Tick the non-living things. Tree and car. Which is non-living thing here? Car. It is non-living thing. Tick the natural thing. Mountain. And this is diary. Which is man-made? Which is natural? Mountain is the natural thing. Tick this. Tick the man-made thing. Aeroplane and the lion. So lion is naturally made and living thing. This is man-made thing. So tick the aeroplane. Fill in the blanks with words given below. Things which do not feel are called non-living things. First answer is non-living. Things which eat food are called living things. Second answer is living. A dash is a natural thing. A rock is a natural thing. Last one, a dash is made by man. Scooter. A scooter is made by man. First answer is non-living thing. Second is living thing. Third is rock. Fourth is scooter. Write names of any 3 living and 3 non-living things that you see in your school. So living things in our school is tree, yes, my friend, and plants, flowering plants. Non-living things in our school, chair, table, benches, blackboard, these all are non-living things. Give one word for the following. Non-living things that are made by man. Non-living things that are made by man are man-made things. First one is. Second one, non-living things that are not made by man. Those are natural things. Third one, things that can breathe, grow and eat. Those are living things. Fourth one, things that cannot grow and move. Those are non-living things. Okay, these are the answers. Thoughts. What is the difference between you and the book you read? So difference between me and the book I read is, I feel, book cannot feel. I think, book cannot think. I move from one place to another place on my own, but book cannot move from one place to another place on its own. Because if I carry with me, then it will move. But on its own, it doesn't move. And I will produce my young ones, but this will not produce its young ones. I will breathe, this will not breathe. These are the differences. You need food, but your toy does not. Why? I am a human being, I am a living thing. To get energy, to walk from one place to another place, to do some work, I need energy, so that I have to eat food. But my toy, it is a non-living thing. It doesn't feel hungry. It doesn't need any energy to do work. So my toy doesn't need any food. Okay, I need food for my work. These are the hearts, and they have given some dots here. If you join these dots, it will become a living thing named cat. Do that. Make a chart with picture of man-made things you see at your school, home and park. This is an activity. You can do this. So once again, this lesson has completed. I will read out this lesson. Just you keep the fingers, okay, and read along with me. Our surroundings. Let us learn about living and non-living things, natural and man-made things. Living, turn the page. Living and non-living things. Everything around us is part of our surroundings. We find living and non-living things in our surroundings. Living things have life in them. Non-living things do not have life in them. Living things, all animals, plants as well as human beings are living things. Second, living things move on their own. Living things grow. Living things feel. Living things eat. Living things breathe. Living things produce more of their kid. Non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, eat, feel, grow, produce young ones or breathe. Table, chair, book and car are non-living things. Natural and man-made things. Non-living things can be natural or man-made. Let us learn about them one by one. Natural things. Some non-living things such as mountains, water and rocks are found in nature. These are not made by man. These are called natural things. Example, mountains, river. Man-made things. Non-living things like pencil, train, house and clothes are made by man. The things made by man are called man-made things. Examples, train, clothes, houses. This is the lesson. Terms, these are very important. These also you read it. Living things, things that can move, grow, breathe, eat, feel and produce young ones. Non-living things, things that cannot move, grow, breathe, eat, feel and produce young ones. Natural things, non-living things that are not made by man. Man-made things, non-living things that are made by man. Now I know things we see around us are either living or non-living things. Living things move, eat, breathe, feel and produce young ones. All plants, humans and animals are living things. Non-living things cannot move, eat, breathe, feel and produce young ones. Non-living things can be natural or man. So this revision of this lesson has completed. You also read this lesson once, twice, then only you will become perfect to read. And then by hand the fill in the blanks and some examples of living and non-living things and all. And tomorrow's class I am going to have the revision of lesson number 2, that is plants around us. Okay, plants are the natural things, natural living things. Okay, we will learn about plants, what type of plants are there in their heights, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, trees, types of plants. These all we will learn, we will discuss, we will have a revision in the next class. And you have exams also, online exams. For that also you need to have some revision. So lesson number 1 to 9, all the lessons you read it again and again, by heart the question and answers, everything, so that you can get the good marks in online examination. Okay, I hope you will do this because you all are very good students. Yes, do this. Thank you.